We interrupt your regular scheduled programming of Tennessee footage to bring you this important message.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those nice pants.
Hi, hello. So there's a few different reasons why I wanted to come out on the bike today. I mean, not that I need any. One, obviously it's a beautiful day. Two, I just really haven't been able to be out on the bike as much as I'd like to. Three, I just got some Rhizoma foot pegs, so I'd like to try them out. And lastly, just like the intro suggested, I have an important message to bring to you. Now, if you were able to pay enough attention, out of the last 11 videos that I've posted, including this one, 8 out of those 11 are all footage from when I went to Tennessee with Rye and Dave in May. So I do have some more footage from our May Tennessee trip, but I have to make another interruption of the schedule of Tennessee videos, like I said, to bring you a message. So if you're a regular subscriber on my channel and you consistently watch my videos, a few months back when I wasn't able to be out on the bike, I made a video about plans that I had for 2018. And in that video, if you recall, I had mentioned that I'm going to Tennessee twice this year. Once in May with Ryan and Dave, and once in September, just Kayla and I. So we did our May trip, we did our track day, we did another track day, and now it's time for Kayla and I to go back to Tennessee. So back in May when it was the 3 of us down in Tennessee, I had put it out there that if any subscriber from the area wants to meet up and maybe do some dragon passes or skyway rides or whatever, to get a hold of me. And I did have a couple people reach out to me, but a couple things fell through, so we weren't able to meet up. But I will be back in East Tennessee the week of September 10th. So if I do have any subscribers that want to meet up this time around, reach out to me, whether it be on Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. I probably won't do any meetups on the 10th because that is Kayla's birthday, but any other day, if somebody wants to meet up, let a brother know. So besides that, I don't really have anything else to report. Just taking a gore trip real quick to test out these foot pegs from Rhizoma. So far so good, I'm liking them. If you're wondering why I just bought foot pegs instead of like a full rear set, it's because the only rear set that I could find for this, I think it was Woodcraft, and it was like $500. And I'm like willing to spend, you know, a couple, maybe $300 on adjustable aftermarket rear sets, but $500 is too much, man. It's just out of the question. $500, that's like the price of the bottom half of my race suit. And if you're up to date on all my videos, you'll also know that I got a brand new helmet. It's a Bell Qualifier. And if you're wondering why I'm not wearing it right now, it is because my microphone that I'm recording with right now is only in this helmet, and it's super easy to switch. I'm just super lazy and haven't done it. I haven't bought a new one for the new helmet yet, so I guess it's just easier for me right now to just wear this helmet, you know. And if you're wondering, you know, what's the big deal about microphones, because, you know, I do have like the Senna that I could record with, but as you'll hear right here,
what is going on, boys and girls of the internet?
There's a big difference in audio quality, so if I'm by myself like I am right now, I prefer to use this microphone because it's quite obvious that the quality is much greater than that of the Senna Bluetooth. Ah, man, I love getting stuck behind people. Oh no, a tractor trailer on a curvy road. Watch out, everybody. And I can't win. I just turned around to go back to the gorge, and right before I turned around, this guy turned right on. This is like a decent section too. Dang it. And just like that, up to that 18-wheeler after the passing zone, obviously. Oh boy, missing the good parts here, buddy. Look at those big pull-offs. Don't you just hate it, alien people, when people don't use those pull-offs? I'm sorry, only people who have ridden the Dragon will get that reference. There's one more curve that we gotta do before we sign off. Good? Okay. Tell you what, man, anytime that you have an opportunity to help somebody that looks like they're in need, I really suggest that you take that opportunity, because one day that could be you, you know what I mean? That guy was fine, you know, but one day you might be stranded on the side of the road and cars might just be flying right on by, just not even giving you a second look. It's not a good feeling, because I've been there. But I want to stress it even more if you're on a motorcycle, because a lot of sport bikes like this, we get a bad rap because there's just a bunch of shit riders out there, you know what I mean? They're just a bunch of hooligans that just wreak havoc, you know? So anytime that you're on a sport bike and, you know, you have that opportunity to potentially help somebody, do it, man. Give us a good name. Well, anyway, guys, I know it's super short, but I think right here is where I'm gonna end it. Like I said, if you are in the East Tennessee area or, you know, Northwest North Carolina, maybe even Georgia, I might be making a trip to Blood Mountain. And if you do want to meet up, let a brother know. You know, I'm always down to meet new people. Especially you folks down in East Tennessee, man. I love you guys, man. But anyway, guys, for even more upcoming Tennessee footage, please hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I am John.com, and I'll see you next Monday. Later.
Nice meme.